What's up, YouTube? So I just got the Cobra Road Scout radar detector in with the forward-facing camera. Then I got a box full of the the fuse taps that go into the fuse holder, so that because I'm gonna hardwire this thing in. There's no way I'm gonna have a cord hanging all the way down to the back, because let me show you guys, the cigarette lighter for this car is right there. It's in the very back, so that's right back here. And I want to mount that up there. I'm sorry, the sun is literally setting right over top of my house and shining right in my external garage over here. So I'm going to try and video as much of this as possible and keep you guys along for the ride. Because I've got to actually take that whole thing off. I got to pull this whole center thing off, run the wire down through here. And then this, I don't know, the sun's blocked. Sun's got it so bright. Then I got to pull this whole console out to get to the fuse that's right behind that console that I can tap into. So we'll keep you all posted as we go. All right, so after some pretty hard pulling and tugging, I finally got that piece off, which is this piece that goes up right through here. Got the radar detector mounted. Now I got to run the wires up and around and down the pillar here and get right there to that yellow fuse. That's what my goal is, guys. Okay, so I've got the center thing where all the lights are and everything. Got it pulled down. Got the sun visors taken off. I've got the wire ran up, down, all the way through. Got it coming out of here. And now I'm going to use this little tap to go in right there where the ignition is. And then we're going to turn the car on and make sure the radar detector comes on. Just got everything buttoned up. Got the sun visors put back in. Got the center lights put back on. Radar detector's mounted. Everything, all the wires are hidden, nice and clean. Can't see anything. So I guess now I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. Let's put the key in. The key in the ignition, and the way it is wired up, you actually got to. Oh, actually, I thought you had to start the car. There we go. We're working, baby. Success.
Witness riders. 458 destroyer in the town near you. Yeah, witness riders in the scene, pulling up in that 101. You know what it means.